Is your car safe? You got solid proof? Think again.
Breaking news. Car accidents are on the rise. Road rage, hit and runs, vandalism. Authorities warn, be prepared, have proof.
Meet QROV Ultra Pro, the AI-powered dashcam that doesn't just watch, it protects you. Smarter, faster, unstoppable. Parking accidents, road rage, hit and runs, no proof, no chance. A high-performance 360-degree dual-lens dashcam that records both inside and all around your car. Plus, a wide-angle rear camera ensures full coverage of the back lanes. Powered by advanced processor technology with cellular connectivity for real-time awareness, QROV watches over your car, recording incidents and sending instant alerts straight to your phone when you're away. Even if it's stolen, you're still in control. QROV Ultra Pro works with Apple and Google's Find My Network to track your car in real time. With one tap, secure your proof. Get crystal clear evidence for any claims. The first AI dashcam with global 4G LTE, supporting 100+ carriers. No contract, no commitment. Use your own SIM card, ideal for longer-term recording, and supports up to 512 GB microSD card. Support any carrier LTE SIM card for cellular connectivity. Stay 24/7 connected access anytime, anywhere to connect live and view vehicles in real time. Got in an accident, 60 seconds pass without a response. QROV's on it, sending your location and witness video to your emergency contact. Powered by AI parking technology, QROV stays in sleep mode without draining the car battery. If an impact is detected, it wakes up, records, and alerts you instantly with incident video proof. No tools, no pricey mechanics. Just plug in and go ready in 2 minutes, saving you time and money. Rain or shine, heat or frost, QROV never stops protecting. Built to take on any weather. Upgrade now. Protect your car. Protect your family. QROV Ultra Pro, always on guard.